Hey everyone! Today I'm doing a quick first look at the Philips Xperion 6000 work light. The Philips Xperion line actually has around 10 different handheld models. This one here is the 12-inch version. It is powered by a lithium battery, uses two different LED types, and it is built tough. IP65 and IK7 rated, so it can handle dust, water, solvents, and accidental drops. I was looking for something I could rely on when working in tight areas, like inside the engine bay, under the car, or even things like fixing stuff around the house or going to the attic. I have used cheap lights before. You know, the kind that flicker, dim out, or fail one right when you need them. So I wanted something more dependable this time around. I have also used Philips products in the past, and they have always felt durable. Not just visually nice, but actually built to last. So that played a big role in choosing this one. I wanted a dependable tool, not a toy. Right out of the box, we get the charging adapter with a standard USB-A connector. This adapter can fully charge the light in 3.5 hours. The included cables use a USB-A to connect to the power adapter and a USB-C to charge the light. The light itself feels sturdy and well made. There is a 360-degree hard plastic swivel hook on top, as well as a spotlight. This spotlight is rated at 120 lumens with a 40-degree beam. Next, we have the main light. It has a diffuse panel and is rated at 300 lumens on high or 150 in eco mode to save battery. In the back, we have the power button and also the USB-C charging port. And at the bottom, it has a strong built-in magnet for attaching to metal surfaces. And speaking of battery, that's another area where this light shines. On eco mode, you can get up to about 8 hours of continuous use. It is great if you're working for long periods or want ambient light in a space. Or full power brightness, you will get around 4.5 hours, which is solid given the output. The pointer spotlight is super efficient. That one can run up to 9 hours on its own. The lithium battery inside means you don't have to worry about the battery memory or reduced capacity after sitting in the toolbox. Now I want to give you a quick real-world lighting demo. I'm going to switch the camera to a wider view here in the garage, and I'm going to turn off the overhead lights so you can see what the light actually does in a dark environment. When you first press the power button, it starts with the spotlight. This spotlight beam is perfect for zeroing in on a specific area or fasteners in dim spaces. One more press switches to the full 300 lumen main light, and as you can see, this really lights up the entire garage. Press it again and it goes into eco mode, a slightly softer output that still provides plenty of usable light while extending the battery life. Overall, this feels like a serious work accessory, not just a flashlight. Between the build quality, battery life, magnetic mount, and multiple light modes, I feel it is going to fulfill my needs. I will keep using it over the next few weeks, especially during some upcoming car work, and I will post an update if anything changes. If you want to see how this light performs over time with actual use, especially during engine work and interior detailing, please feel free to subscribe so you don't miss the follow-up review I will be posting in a few weeks. Thanks for watching.